Hello folks, welcome back to the show. Another one of my pretty much unedited unboxings, and usually a classic fragrance theme. Today we're going to be opening a couple of Powerhouse fragrances. Powerhouse fragrances, I believe. The first one here, not too optimistic about this one. Let's open her up. I don't really know much about this fragrance. I may have made a terrible mistake buying this. It was about £5 or £6 online. I thought it looked like a vintage classic of some kind. I really don't know what this thing is. Let's open it up, guys. Folks, don't forget to go to myfragrancesamples.com for your USA fragrance samples if you're in the USA, Canada, or Puerto Rico. Amazing range of fragrances, designer and niche, and there's a link in the description. So, yes, as I say, incredibly low price. And when I researched it, it was one that I bought on one of my live streams. We were doing the classic fragrance live stream last Thursday. It's arrived promptly, and you can find no listing of it, unless I'm missing something, on Fragrantica. No listing of this thing at all. It is absurdly cheap. Let's find out. I really have bad feelings about this. Here we go. It's very tightly packed. Okay. Here it is, folks. So it is called Mastermind. Why did I buy this? Mastermind Vintage by Lagmani. It's not really a vintage fragrance at all, I don't think. It is... how many years this has been made, I have no idea. I have no idea about this company. The bottle looks old-fashioned. It just... why did I do this? Why do I do these things? Join me on the Vintage Fragrance live stream every Thursday night, so at 5:30 p.m, approximately USA time. Okay, so let's open her up. Uh-oh. Bit of a 1 million vibe. This is not good. This is not good. Bit of a 1 million vibe with the bottle. Is that what they're going for? This could be one of my worst purchases ever. But then again, maybe it's nice. Let's give it a chance. Okay. Could it be a clone of 1 million? Mastermind Vintage. The bottle's actually... maybe it's an amazing 80s powerhouse. I don't know. I was hoping it would be. But I think I've just screwed up. Let's put some... we're just going to spray on the box lid there. Here we go. And we're going to do 1, 2, 3. There it is. Mastermind Vintage by the House of Lagmani. Yes, it's a copy of 1 million. Oh dear. Okay, it smells quite a lot like 1 million from Paco Rabanne. So that is possibly one of the biggest epic fails. Good room spray. That'll be a fine toilet spray. Mastermind Vintage. The next one, much more exciting. This one has a bit of a reputation. Apparently released back in 1995, it appears. I had a bit of a struggle actually finding that information. We've got a 1995 release here, we believe. And Max 40, a big fan of this one. So let's open her up. And while I do that, I'm going to take it off camera just to do the slicing here, okay? Here we go. While I do that, let's give you the note listing. So 1995 release, listed on Fragrantica as an amber fougere. Notes are black currant, galbanum, mandarin orange, bergamot, carnation, geranium, jasmine, violet leaf. We've got rose, coriander, even, freesia, lily of the valley, ylang ylang, oak moss, patchouli, musk, vetiver, and cedar. Nicely wrapped in a shoebox. Let us see. There it is. Hang on. Okay, good. Well covered in bubble wrap. This one I have much higher hopes for. Amazing bottle design. The fragrance is Vermeil. Vermeil for men, we believe. A 1995 release. Let's see if we can find out a little bit more. So Vermeil pour Homme, I think, is the official name of this fragrance. Lovely, intriguing bottle design. It looks a bit like a cigarette lighter. We've got a very nice way of doing the packaging. I like this. I like what they've done here. Okay, let's have a look. Vermeil pour Homme, and this is from Paris. Great bottle design. I love the leathery effect on the side. That is really good design. I really love what they've done here with this one. Nice gold effect on the top and bottom. Plasticky, or I don't know what the material, yeah, kind of, I don't know. It's not leather anyway, but it looks like leather. And the bottle design is a 10 out of 10 for me. Where does it spray from? This is very... okay, so it actually sprays from here. So it's a built-in kind of atomizer. So it's going to go like this. There it is. Okay, let's spray a little bit. What have we got to spray on? Just going to get a bit of paper here. Okay, let's find out about this one. Squirt, squirt, squirt. It's a hat trick. So supposedly a Powerhouse vibe. Wow, interesting. Leathery, woody, musky, spicy, exciting, masculine. This is the kind of fragrance I can get excited about. Guys, have you tried this one? So Amber Fougere, 1995 release. I picked it up for about £50. It's now discontinued. It's getting harder to find. Definitely one if you like, reminiscent to me a little bit. Hints of Ralph Lauren Polo Green, hints of Halston Z14, hints of Tuscan Leather by Tom Ford, Valentino Vendetta, Moschino pour Homme even, that Amber Fougere style, I get it. Okay, this is a very intriguing Powerhouse 80s kind of vibe. Looking back for an 80s smell really, a shoulder pads era fragrance, a hairy chest era fragrance, a masculine fragrance for sure. Very interesting. Okay, so happy to get this one in the collection. Vermeil pour Homme, 1995, we believe, was the release date. I'm intrigued. Find out more. I'll be reviewing it hopefully fully, or maybe including in a list, or check out my upcoming vintage stream on Thursday. I'll give you more information. Fantastic bottle design, mastermind vintage, epic fail. Let me know if you enjoyed that. If you did, please subscribe. Even if you didn't, you can subscribe anyway. Thank you so much for watching, folks. I will see you in the next video. Remember, whatever you're doing in life, let's project. And though sometimes life may stink, we at least can always smell good. Bye-bye.